In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Assassin's Creed Rogue. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Assassin's Creed 5 Rogue tools. You can able to activate the cheats. I'll show you guys how to install this. Select the manual download option and select slow download option, and it will start downloading. Once download done, select the folder icon and right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop these files inside of a game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press the B key to open up this cheat menu and go to player tab. And to show you guys the cheats are working, I'm gonna turn on this toggle player vanish. This gonna make the player invisible. To close this menu, press the B key and show you guys it's working. Now I'm shooting. Now the gods can't see you, as you can see. You're shooting in backside. Uh, Same way, just toggle off player vanish, and now they can able to see you. And as you can see, I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.